All right, guys, so I just wanted to bring you a quick little video, a little update. If you already saw my Instagram post and my previous video on YouTube, you will have seen that my AC went out. My AC compressor went out. Obviously it's not too big of a deal, not a major component, but obviously it affects us during the summertime, during the warmer times. So I am currently in my driveway, finally actually getting to fix the problem here. If you already saw, again, my Instagram post with my old AC compressor here, it is deader than dead. You can just kind of see and kind of feel in the actual what you call it, the actual clutch and everything. It is done. It is dead. So essentially, yeah, I got the new one put on here, changed out the little gaskets. I've got the vacuum pump going on here, evacuating any moisture, any air in the system. Once I let it go for a little bit longer, I'm going to turn it off, see if it'll hold the negative pressure, the suction on there, make sure there is no actual air leaks in the system. Then the next course of action is going to actually be filling it up with actual Freon, and then be on our way here. I also just found out that I have a amber light that went out on my front right here, so I'm gonna have to replace that. And then something's going on with my my license plate lights for some reason, so I'm gonna have to investigate that. So yeah, everything is choosing to go out on itself here. So if I'm already gonna be a hot mess, sweating like crazy, I might as well just go ahead and get it knocked out, take care of it. So yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. Also, if you, again, if you saw the Instagram post with my laser heat gun, or whatever it's called, not heat gun, laser thermometer, essentially it was got well over 100 degrees, and that was just my dash right in front of me, directly in front of me, and windows down the whole time, basically traveling down the road for a couple hours straight, basically trying to get as much cool air as I could, but it was like 85 degrees outside. So essentially there was no cold air coming in, it was just less hot air. So man, oh man, for the folks who think that I don't know, I don't even know what to say. 100 degrees is plenty hot. 80 some degrees is plenty hot, and it's just, I just got cooked last week. So if you are one of the few people who can do it all, who can endure 100 plus degree heat in your truck for 2 days straight, more power to you. You get the award for something, I don't know. I don't know where you're gonna get that from, but it's not from me. So congratulations on that. But yeah, I'm just getting this taken care of here. Want to get as much stuff done as I possibly can, just kind of looking at everything in the cab, or not in the cab, in the engine bay here, and see if there's anything else that needs to be touched up in the meantime. But if not, then we will be good to go. Everything else seems to be running. I'm going to check my fluids as well. So this is the sign that you are needing to have. If you need to check your fluids, check everything, go through stuff, this is the sign, so go do it. Hopefully that will help you, and maybe help somebody who is way past maybe an interval for a fluid or something. But we're holding negative 30 psi here on the gauges, and so I'm going to let this turn off. I don't know if you can hear this, the little vacuum pump. I'm going to turn this off, and we're just going to give it about 15-20 minutes maybe to see if we lose any negative pressure. And if we do, then we'll have to go through the system, check everything out again, make sure we're all right. But as of right now, I don't know if you can see, but on the low side We are just a hair under -30, and it is not budging. So that bodes well for the meantime as I get this going. I'm probably, with that in mind, I'm probably gonna get the belt back on, you know, now rather than later, and we'll kind of go from there, getting things put together. But yeah, just wanted to bring this little video to you as I'm just enjoying the or I will be enjoying the fruits of my labor here once I get the AC fully charged up again on the truck. If you need to do this yourself, your AC compressor is toast, or you think it may be toast soon, I have a very, very old video explaining exactly how to do it on a Ram 3500 2012. It's probably the same for a lot of different years, so maybe that can be a help to you. If not, you can just watch it and laugh at me. You know, do whatever you got to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up here. I may go ahead and show you a little brief, you know, clip of the AC with the thermometer, you know, laser thing when I'm all done. But yeah, we'll shut it down for now, and I'll catch you guys later. Hope you have a great day. Stay safe, guys. God bless.